In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive cards and lists in Trello. This guide is part of our Quick Tips series, and it's designed to simplify your Trello navigation and upkeep. Whether you're an experienced user or new to Trello, these steps will make managing your archived items a breeze. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is where you'll access your Trello boards and manage your tasks. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Trello offers multiple login methods, so you can choose the one that suits you best, whether it's through an email and password combo, or perhaps using Google or another integrated service. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be directed to your Trello board where all your lists and cards reside. To begin unarchiving, locate the three dots icon positioned on the upper right-hand corner of your Trello board. This menu icon is your gateway to additional board options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that gives you various board management choices. In the drop-down menu, look for the Archived Items option and select it. This is your destination for accessing all of your archived cards and lists. It's a handy feature for retrieving past work without them cluttering your active boards. Once you're in the Archived Items section, you'll notice two key categories: lists and cards. Sometimes we archive items and forget if they were lists or individual cards. Trello makes it easy to toggle between these categories with the Switch List button. This feature allows you to seamlessly view either your archived lists or cards, ensuring that you can retrieve exactly what you need without unnecessary hassle. To unarchive, simply find the specific card or list you wish to restore. Next to each item, you'll see a Restore button. Clicking this button will move your archived item back to its respective board or list, making it readily available for your ongoing projects and tasks. And just like that, you're done. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully unarchived your Trello items, making them part of your active workflow once again. Unarchiving is an invaluable skill for maintaining organized and efficient boards, ensuring that nothing important gets lost in the shuffle. I hope this rundown has clarified how to manage your archived items in Trello effectively. Thank you for watching this segment of our Quick Tips series. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more hands-on advice. Keep your projects on point with Trello, and happy organizing!